Now that you've placed an order and scheduled an installation for KUB Fiber, you may be wondering what happens now. I can answer that. From the moment you submit your order, KUB employees are working to ensure your experience with KUB Fiber is better than any you've had so far with an internet provider. KUB Fiber employees in our local call center and local network operations center begin work to make sure resources are allocated to install KUB Fiber at your home in a timely manner. As your installation date approaches, we will need to visit your home twice. You may not notice crews on the first visit when they attach a fiber line from a nearby utility pole or transformer to your house. This work is quick, non-invasive, and in fact, you don't even need to be home for it. The second visit is on your chosen installation date and time, when KUB technicians bring the fiber into your home through an optical network terminal, ensuring high-speed internet access. With the fiber router connected to your ONT, you can get access to Wi-Fi. From there, KUB's highly trained technicians will help make sure your home is optimized, your account is set up, and you understand how to use all your new technology, including TV and phone services if you order those. KUB's technicians pride themselves on finishing the job in a quick and friendly manner, usually finishing the job well under the scheduled 4-hour time frame. Our appointment times are not windows in which you can expect us to arrive. We plan to be there at the beginning of the allotted time and finish quickly so you can go on with your day. When the technicians leave, KUB knows the job has just started. KUB's local customer service and technical support staff are available around the clock, monitoring your service and are available if any issues arise. KUB is excited to serve its community with the area's only fully fiber network, and we're confident that this will be the best relationship you've ever had with an internet service provider. Visit KUB.org/fiber to get started today.